In this video, I'm going to be talking about what you can do if the ring light feature on Snapchat is missing for you. So if you open up your Snapchat and then you see that you have that little flash icon right there, if you're on the selfie camera, so let me switch to that. If you're on the selfie camera and you press that little flash icon and you're not seeing this feature pop up, which is the ring light, where you can change the different colors of the ring light, move the intensity up and down. If you're not seeing that feature, the thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you're running the latest version of Snapchat. So go into Snapchat on your either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And as you can see, for me, it was last updated on the 14th of April 2022. So if you updated your Snapchat app around that same time, you should be good to go. And the version that I currently have that is using this ring light feature is I'm using on Android 11.75.0.33. That's the version of Snapchat I'm currently running. And if you are running that version, you most likely will get the feature. But if you don't have the feature just yet, then don't be alarmed, because Snapchat doesn't roll out features on their platform to everybody all at the same time. What they do is they roll it out in different accounts in different countries, and then eventually over time it gets to every single account. But so if you're not seeing it now and you've updated to the latest version, you will just have to wait for it. There's no like tricks or hacks that you can really do in order to get the feature, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So just keep your Snapchat app updated at all times and you should be good to go for the ring light feature. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.